Hello everyone. Welcome to this demo of the Oracle Marketplace app for DBE Supplier Management, built by Organo. Here is what we are going to cover in this video. Let's start with what is DBE. DBE stands for Disadvantaged Business Enterprise. The U.S. Department of Transportation, DOT, defines disadvantaged business enterprise as for-profit small business concerns where socially and economically disadvantaged individuals own at least a 51% interest, and also control management and daily business operations. A business can get the DBE certification from the relevant state or local transportation agencies. Once certified, such businesses are eligible to receive DOT financial assistance. Now, why do we need a solution specifically for DBE? Transportation and construction companies need to meet specific DOT guidelines for federally funded projects. While these companies can use Oracle Cloud applications for their ERP or project reporting purposes, not all DBE-specific requirements can be met within Oracle Cloud. Given that, organizations need to extract data from Oracle Cloud and perform various DBE-related tasks outside Oracle. This solution bridges that gap. It uses a custom app that is completely integrated with Oracle Procurement Cloud. It helps companies in identifying potential DBE suppliers, collect and store DBE certification documents to specific projects, qualify suppliers as DBE. Once DBE suppliers are selected, this solution helps in setting DBE goals for each project and supplier. It then helps in measuring performance of those suppliers against DBE matrices. It also generates certain standard DBE-specific reports that can be shared with government agencies. In summary, this solution meets most business needs related to DBE suppliers within the realm of Oracle Cloud. With that intro, let us now jump into the demo. We have now logged into Oracle Applications. When we click on the seated Application Composer icon, we can see the DBE-specific menu items. In this screen, the last row of icons are all related to the DBE solution built by Organo. Let us click on the Project Module icon. This page shows all projects the company is working on. It shows the project number, project name, project type, status and other header-level information. Let us click on one of the projects to dig deeper. Now, this is a very important page in the DBE solution. On top, we have the project summary. Some of the important fields are the owner contract amount and the goal-eligible contract amount. The total goal percentage here is calculated by the system, based on goal type settings, which we will see in a moment. The total goal amount is calculated by the system, as goal-eligible contract amount, times the total goal percentage. Current participation plan amount is calculated by the system based on how much work is actually being done by DBE suppliers. Current participation plan percentage is calculated as current participation plan amount divided by goal-eligible contract amount. As can be seen in this screen, this project is exceeding its goal of 10%, as it is currently at 14%. Also, on the right-hand side here, we have information of project billing, how much has been received from the project owner. It also shows total amount paid to DBE supplier. Based on that, the project compliance percentage is also calculated by the system. If you change any of the numbers on this page, and would want to recalculate the percentage or some other matrices, simply click on the Recalculate button on top. Moving down further in the page, we can expand this. We then see the DFF containing some detailed information, which is used in generating various DBE-specific reports. In the bottom section of this page, we have the Details, with 2 tabs. The Vendor Information tab here lists all the suppliers working on the project. And clicking on the Goals tab shows project goals for different types of suppliers. As we can see here, this project has a goal of 7% for Minority Business Enterprise, or MBE. It also has a goal of 3% for Women-Owned Businesses Enterprise. Totaling the two, this project has a total DBE goal of 10%, which is what we see at the top of the page. Now, going back to the top of the page, let us click on the Vendor Information tab. Let us click on any of the suppliers listed here and see the details. This is where we set details about specific supplier. For example, the certification type field identifies a supplier as WBE or MBE, so that payments made to the supplier are counted towards that goal. Also note the fields where we enter the original contract value, change orders, etc. Notice that we also have a participation amount listed here, and this is used in calculating current participation plan amount on top of the page. Another important field in this page is the credit percentage. As per government regulation, when a DBE participates in a contract, we can count only the value of the work actually performed by the DBE toward DBE goals. For example, if the DBE supplier subcontracts part of its work to another firm, which is not a DBE, the value of the subcontracted work may not be counted towards DBE goals. Another example would be materials or supplies purchased from a DBE regular dealer. In such cases, only 60% of the cost of the materials or supplies are counted towards DBE goals. All of these regulatory factors are considered in determining the credit percentage. That was a pretty detailed review of the functionalities available in the project module of this app. Now let us go back to the main menu and look at some other functions. As you can see, we have multiple menus for the DBE application. We will not be able to cover all of them in this short demo, but let us have a quick look at one last one, the DBE supplier payments. This page shows payments made to various suppliers. This data can be imported from Oracle Cloud or an external ERP system. If you remember, on the project details page, we saw total amount paid to DBE suppliers. That was based on the details that we see on this page. Again, you can click on the supplier payment ID and drill further. With that, we will end this demo. Thank you for watching and hope you will find this solution useful in your implementation. Have a nice day.